Hey everyone, Shawn Jenkins from CRP Automotive with a product spotlight on a range of new hydraulic power steering pumps from the steering specialists at AAE. Now when I say new, I don't just mean that they are new to the market. These are all new OE quality pumps produced in a European OEM factory, so you can use them with confidence. The range covers selected BMW, Mercedes, and Porsche models from 1999 to 2015, representing more than 1.6 million vehicles in operation. And because these are new pumps, you don't need to provide a core or pay a core charge. What's more, they are supplied with the correct single-use bolts, where applicable, so you have everything you need to get the job done right the first time. Have a question about these pumps or any other AAE parts? Just post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new videos like this one. Thanks for watching.